welcome back. So this is lost link from Whitecoin part 12 for Magic Coin. So we were working in the last video about trying to fork Whitecoin from mint coin. Okay, but I think it's better to fork it from Whitecoin because that's where the stuff comes from. And yeah, so that's what yeah, so Whitecoin probably was based on Blackcoin forked with Bitcoin stuff, but we are not sure about that. In any case, so we have this Whitecoin stuff, not this one, Blackcoin. Yeah, so Black 4. Okay, so what we can do here is remove some of the stuff here. We need to be focused on what we want to do. So yeah, let's remove this, even if it seems that it comes from here, but we are not sure about this. So Whitecoin something. So here we have all of the Whitecoin commits. Okay, so the idea, not the Whitecoin, yeah, the Whitecoin commit. So the first one that makes sense is, yeah, so what we also have here is the Whitecoin commits. So we have this first one, so this is the one that we want to use, which is the first one. This is April 26th, so we want something to fork from here. It's from 26. And probably what you want to do to use is this one, because it updates to G, and this is a thing that I think it's already here on SRC Ming, and SRC Makefile MingW VGW. You already have the G, so this is probably what you want to do. And yes, so that's the idea. And yeah, and the Linux one also has the G, and you can see how the G is also here. What more do we have around here? Update checkpoints and version number. This is also 072 becomes 073. But Whitecoin has another version, isn't it? Whitecoin has a version which is bigger. Wait a moment. 0900. So this is not obvious that this is something from here. Client version.h, sorry. Client version.h. Let me see. Client version.h 0800, and this is 07. Okay, this is probably not the same thing. What about this protocol version? Protocol version is 0900, and here you have 1. So probably Whitecoin comes from something else. Okay, what about this thing? Then after 10 days it comes to something else. Is this something that... Oh my god, why? Okay. We have a lot of code, but... What about after 10 days? Okay, black white coin. Look at that, black white coin. Black white coin, something. This is from the future, April 22, isn't it? Because all of this is April 25. Yeah, this is from the future, sort of. This is another test, which should also be from the future. That's right. Black white coin. Clover coin. White coin. White coin? Now let me check. So black white coin, we don't want this. This is the one from 10 days. So the idea is that the first commit of the white coin that we already know changes it from 10. Sorry. So this changes it from 10 to 14. Wait. Where have I seen that? This is 10 days. And where have I seen that it's 10 days and then 14 days? Is it something from Butchercoin? Yeah, Butchercoin has 10 days. Yeah, what I'm looking for is Butchercoin, which has 10 days. And then it became 14 days. So it makes sense that it comes from Whitecoin when it was 10 days. But my question is, what about the one I know of? Do we have anything about how many days Whitecoin? Yeah, so this Whitecoin by default is 10 days, but this is 13th of April. So if we want something from April, not something later from later on. Black Whitecoin. Okay, so this is the white coin, but this is the other one. This is the the XWC, which were done again with this new port 15. Yeah, so this is the one that comes from elsewhere. I think this comes from elsewhere. Revert. Revert as postcode block. What the hell is this? Haven't I seen this before? Exactly the version that I already know, but April. Yeah, so this is exactly the one that we already know from April 24. Yeah, it's exactly the same commits. This is from the future. So apparently, yes, this 10 days makes sense that it's from Whitecoin. Well, anyway, we have to fork this from Whitecoin, and so okay, so what we have to decide is Buttercoin, where the hell do we fork from it? And it's going to be the first commit, which is here. Buttercoin first commit should be its actually first commit, which is this one. Okay, and the Whitecoin commit should be, so this is from 20 something, April 26. April 26. April 26. And the Whitecoin commit should be the one that we were exploring before, which is 26th of April. So it should be this one. Should be this one. To fork from should be this. And this is from what the hell has happened here? This is from this one, yeah, April 17. April 17. Let's start. So now I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I'm back. So let's start. So first of all, we need a folder, because right now we have this meme coin, batcher coin work, and that's not right. So we should move this into down, and yeah, probably this should be going into the archive, but we don't care much. So what we want to do is Whitecoin batcher coin work, which it's empty. So we want to have here the past, which is Whitecoin. We want it here. Not sure what's manual fork Whitecoin batcher coin. Did we push anything to here? Whitecoin batcher coin. Revert at post cutoff block. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I'm not sure about this. Let me check batcher coin. The question is alternative first commit. This is not right. We want to work with the actual first commit. So this is first commit branch. Okay, that's the one that we want to use right now with batcher coin. So in order to work with Whitecoin, and here I have written down so here I have written down the Whitecoin commit is this one. So Whitecoin, let me see. Yeah. Add OS revert update version something. Yeah, this is not what, but we don't care so much, I think, because if I'm not mistaken I can remove this because there's nothing. Whitecoin X11 coin, yeah, we don't care this one. So we want to remove this branch. Okay, and now we want to create a new branch out of the commit that we already know what it is. Yeah, this one. Damn it. It's not the right syntax. Here you are. And I think we should be able to remove this Whitecoin X11 coin. Because what do you have here? Fork White X11. Well, it's not too much of work, but yeah. Not sure if this was pushed. In any case, so this is Whitecoin. Let me check if Whitecoin has been pushed. We have this pushed. Yeah, we have this stupid fork. Yeah, probably, hopefully it does not confuse ourselves. So what we can do is to rename this branch. Hit rename remote branch. So this should be done from here. So here we can rename the branch. This one here. So we want to rename this as discarded, so that it doesn't confuse us. Okay, so hit branch minus M old name new name, then you want to delete the old name apparently, which is this one, and you want to push this new one. Okay. Now, so if this is done right, I should see here, so if we update this, I should see here, discarded, okay, fix POS. Oh, look at that. There is a fix POS branch here? Didn't know that this was a branch. Okay, so then luckily we've got this discarded branch. Okay, so I can go back to GitHub Machi repos, doing other stuff. So now I am at, yeah, so Whitecoin, I am at manual fork from Whitecoin to Butchercoin. That's what I want to do. And in Butchercoin, I should be in the first commit, the actual first commit, and that's right. So now I should be able to start the mail command. Hopefully this is not going to explode into every place. So now we can say something like, let's compare kernel.cpp and so on, but you know, so you can have, yeah, you have all of these files which are just copy paste, and I don't think that they are used at all. So kernel.cpp, we can check this thing, and we can check main.cpp, which has some staking changes here, and then cutoff height is different with subsidy, yearly count, and so on. Strings are being changed. Max clock drift, it's also different. Yeah, and a lot of stuff. So we should try to do this the best way possible. So I think that the best way of doing this is we should copy the images. We should copy these files that I don't know if they are even used. So Bloom CPP. What the hell is this? Bitcoin Bloom something. Bloom filter. Yeah. Cube hash something something. Hash block. What the hell is this? Hash block. Oh, look at that. This is the one that does stuff. The hash block one. If it's even used, which I am not sure about that, if this is being used by any chance. Maybe main H. Yeah, look at that. Main H uses hashblock.h. So yeah, look at that. Hash 9 instead of hash 9, this is using script hash. No, it's the other way around. So Whitecoin uses script and Butchercoin uses hash 9, which in turn uses hashblock.h. So I guess that there is a hash 9 somewhere here. There is not a hash 9. Hash 9. Okay. Let me check on Butchercoin if we can find something about hash 9. So hashblock.h. Hashblock.h has hash 9, which I have not seen before. Define something. Here it is. Inline hash 9, which is a template or something. And then main H uses this hash 9 to do some stuff. Get hash. Yeah, so this is what Whitecoin does. Sorry, Butchercoin does. It adds this hash 9 stuff that it's so powerful. Yeah. it has all of this in a single place. Oh, look at this. We can compare this to keys. This is going to be nice. cpaki.gpt we should be able to open both of these files without any problem. Okay, let me see. So we have Whitecoin on the left, and on the right we have this Whitecoin something work. Here it is, and we should have country hidden loader, we should have IPA, cpaki. What? Are you sure? Why every other key we can read it, and this is an awful key that we don't know what the hell's happening there. Trying to compare manually, and yeah, it's not easy to compare. Okay, maybe we can check this. Maybe we can see what's different because of a different color, but I am not able to see which is actually the character that it's different. Yeah, what about the other change down here? D0 BDE4, D0 BDE4. Yeah, we should probably TPDB. TPDB should be something that we can read. TPDB colon something 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 UR. Yeah, I don't know what the hell. Yeah, probably I should be able probably to do this while so if okay, so here on the right is the one from Whitecoin. We should not be modified, but if I search WC here, I should find these two places. So if I say that I only want, yeah, look at this. If I say that I only want WC with capital letters, we only have two places where this happens. And if I do the same thing on my other screen, I'm going to happen to find the same. I am not finding it. So this is what it is. This is WC being renamed without any reason. So this is 106. So 106 for me. Yeah, if I take a look, it's renamed to BDG. That's right. Yeah. This is renamed to BDG because it's stupid. Stupid rename. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I mean, let's do this first commit first, and that's it. So what you want to do is this one. Okay, not here, but here. So hit contrib, GTM loader, and this is change yeah, so this is, let's see how the hell. So this is fork to butcher coin. Fork butcher. Okay, and this is, we want to remove this. This is Scotnado key. Okay, and the other thing that you want to fork is the SIPA key, which is the same thing. Hit add SIPA key. Nice. So now we can work with more stuff like the images or whatever is needed. Maybe think about this blank stuff. Okay, let's work on the images first, which I think it's quite easy to do. So first of all, I think that what you want to do is to rename the images, and then you put the right I think that's the way we did it with the other thing here. So the other day we were doing C coins, Whitecoin, was it? Yeah, we had Whitecoin and we have this manual fork, and I think that we rename images and then we put, yeah, we first rename the images and then we put the actual images here. So the first thing is to rename the images. So we need to know which images we want to rename, okay? So we are here on the right with this white coins one. So do we have all of them? I think so. I think that all of them are here. So 16, yeah. 32, 60, 48, 64, 96, 128, 200, eco PNG, yeah, Bitcoin ICNS, but the Bitcoin ICNS. So we need to rename all of these files, which is what I'm going to do. Then later on we will be able to copy and paste them from the left. That's the idea, and there will be all batcher coins. So let me see. So this is n size and 16, 32, 40. So you want to move Whitecoin size to Batchercoin, is that right? Yeah, Batchercoin dot png to Batchercoin and size dot png. Yeah, and this is in a specific path with, I do not know where it is right now, so it's something like, let me see, src qt res icons. This needs to be done also for Batchercoin. That's right. Okay, now we have it. Look at this. So this should be a commit, which is similar to what we have up here, which is remove, replace images, rename, yeah, I mean copy and paste, rename images files. Okay, so now if I go here and I update the comparison, I can check how these files are here. Okay, we have some more files about this thing, but I think I will add them later on. So I want to copy this. Yeah, I want to copy all of them to the right. And so right now I can say something like remove replaces images, and we use the actual images, something like X actual images. Okay, so this is Whitecoin actual images. Okay, nice. Now we can continue to do stuff. So let's like all of this. 1, 2, 3. This is something like this is additional images. How the hell do you call it? Added non-used. Yeah, these are non-used because Whitecoin do not use them. That I mean. Okay, so now we can new bitcoin.cns image. I don't know why we want this. Then we have this Bitcoin testnet stuff. Clock. Have I removed? Yeah, I have. Okay, so hit remove. So this once again, this is not something that it's useful. Nice. So let's reload this so that we have this properly. Okay, so now we should have more stuff around here about the splash image, Whitecoin, so on. Yeah, so look at that. This is Whitecoin icon, Whitecoin PNG. And wait a minute. Whitecoin icon, Whitecoin PNG. Damn it. We have had it icon PNG here. That's not right. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bitcoin testnet PNG was removed. Bitcoin testnet PNG was removed. Yeah, that's right, but at the same time, remove Bitcoin ICNS. So this one here, we don't want it because yeah, so we don't want this commit FW. Let's see if I can remove it, and that's it. I don't want this commit. Okay, so now there is no change, but if you compare here, there should be a change, which is the images are still there or something. So we still have these 3 images without applying. So there's this Bitcoin ICNS that it's Bitcoin ICNS is renamed into Butcher. Where I am, Bitcoin yeah, that's the thing. So we also have this Bitcoin ICNS, which I'm going to remove from the. So I don't want Bitcoin ICNS to be added, because it's going to be renamed into So hit status, it's like this. And now we have this. So where are you, my friend? So Whitecoin icon white.png and Bitcoin ICNS. No, we are missing Bitcoin ICNS, isn't it? Don't we? Tattoo coin. Look at that. Tattoo coin. What the hell? What the hell is this? Look at this. Oh. What about the two coin being a user? And all of GitGap. Repositories. Yeah. Code. Name tattoo coin. Yeah, this is not. Oh, look at that. Here there is a lot of symbols and so on. We can check for WC, but you know, this is not going to be useful. Anyway, let's focus on this. Okay, so what I want to do here is to fix this stuff, that it's these two Whitecoin icon whitecoin.png needs to be renamed here. Then we will squash with the other one. Okay, so now so we have this move something. Here it is. So we want to move this here. So let me check what's exactly what we have to rename. So we want to rename buttercoin.png, Whitecoin ICO and Whitecoin PNG. So ICO and PNG. So this is PNG and this is ICO. Not this way, because otherwise this is going to be confusing for my, what's the name, for hit. Okay, so now he knows that you are renaming stuff. That's what I wanted to do the first time. Now I can say something like rename images file to. Okay, and the question is, what does happen with Bitcoin ICNS? So Bitcoin ICNS, it's not here, but there is a Whitecoin ICNS. No, there is not. What Bitcoin ICNS? So is this right? Do we have? Okay, so you have both of them. Okay, anyway, so now we want to move the actual contents of these two files, because otherwise we're going to lose this. And this is here, Buttercoin and Buttercoin.png. This is the actual files. Nice. These are the actual images second time. Now we can rebase something like 6, and what I can do here is say that how the hell is this? Something like this and something like this, in such a way that I squash commits here and I squash the commit here. And that's what I want to do. And this is what I want to do, and this is what I want to do with this one. And to look at the history, this is very good. So now we should be able to complete the images that are left here. So yeah, so these two images you can copy to the right. So this is something like, not replacing images, but remove new image, new ICN images. Why would you on them? And the other thing you want to make sure these images are updated is this ones here. So these 3 images, you update them here. So hit the status. Yeah, so this is something that you don't need to have. You are almost done here. Okay, with images and so on, I think you are done here. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is about. So remove and rule QM files. Okay. Script mine.cpp. Oh, look at that. Script mine.cpp. It's found on Whitecoin, but not here. Somehow this is, yeah, because maybe Whitecoin mines stuff from here, and that's what Magicoin uses for the mining part, for the POW, instead of this hashblock.h. So this is interesting. We're going to check all of this, see what's the best thing to do. So what I want to do is just to copy all of this stuff about the hash. Okay, so I'm pretty sure all of this green stuff is for the hash stuff. So maybe I'm going to copy more stuff than it's needed, but I mean, it's probably what you want to. I mean, this echo, not sure if it's needed at all. Okay, Lufa. Okay. And all of this also we want to copy to the right. Yeah, so main.h and kernel.cpp. Yeah, I'm gonna change it. Okay, that's right. Yeah, let's take a look here. This is hash block. Hash block. Let's say that this is without. Patcher coin hash 9. Okay, nice. Now we should be able to copy and paste everything. Yeah, there's these files too. Let's fix this thing about Whitecoin and Whitecoin. So first of all, I'm going to rename Whitecoin into Whitecoin.pro so that we understand if there is Whitecoin-qt pro. Okay. So this needs to have pro. Replace coin name. No, not this one. Yeah, okay, so something like this. Rename to from one place to another one. So this is rename Whitecoin Pro to, yeah, so that's right. Whitecoin. Okay. Now I'm going to copy the file and see if we need to adjust to Unix or not, because this is going to be confusing if we still need. Yeah, there are some changes here, like the boost. Oh, this thing here. Whitecoin. First of all, I want to what's the name? First of all, I want to copy the file and see what the hell does this say. And as you can see, everything is wrong. Okay, so right now this is DOS, so we need to restore this and do the DOS properly, because otherwise this is not going to work as expected. So I want to do Whitecoin QD Pro DOS. So this is dust units. No, wait. Yeah, just do this. Dust Unix, Buttercoin. Now I can copy the file and everything will be. So if I refresh and copy the file, everything should be fine here now. We should see. Wait a moment. Unix to DOS. Yeah, I have done it not in the right way. Wait a moment. So I want to restore this. That's right. I want to check out whatever file was here as what's the name? Buttercoin. Oh, wait a moment, not rename it, but wait a moment. Okay, so the last thing that we have is that we have a rename and our this is not DOS, so I want Unix to DOS. So this should be something like this. So I think it has not saved it because I did not do the. So now we have this Unix to DOS. And now we're going to copy and paste this file to the right. And now we have this stupid thing about yeah. So now I want to do this in 2 steps. So the first step if it's renaming stuff. So you want to rename this one, not this one, not this one. Oh, look at that. This is script files. So when you remove these files, you remove them from. So when you remove these files, you remove it from your file system, but you do not remove scribemine.h. That's why Joe did not remove it. And this one, and I think we are done. Okay, this is, wait, this one also. So now we've got this. So we have this replace coin, I think it's the name. Replace coin name. So replace from Whitecoin to Buttercoin, and this is Buttercoin-qt.pro. That's right. So now we have the rest of the stuff, which is Whitecoin. Modifying this so that it's something so this is Whitecoin coin useful stuff. See how to so these are the own settings. Nice. Okay, so now we can compare everything, and this should be the same thing right on the left. So what you want to do right now is to copy and paste everything, and so if there is anything that does not have has something else, we will remove it, and we will add the stuff manually. Okay, there's a make file, which I don't know why the hell there's a make file, and script mine.cpp, which is removed here. Yeah. Okay, let me see the script mine. Have we managed to modify this? Not, we have not. So the script mine should be removed from here. So script mine was removed. That's nice. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah, let's copy and paste everything. Then we will manage. Maybe I can copy to the right everything. Is this going to be a good idea or not? So make file, yeah. There's this make file, which I don't know where it's from. So this make file here. Let me see. What the hell is this? We'll make file for building Whitecoin Qt. Yeah, I mean, what's this? You already have the Pro 1. And you're supposed to have a make file already on the src folder, isn't it? So src folder should have make file, if I'm not mistaken. All of these makes files. So he uses a make file. This is nonsense. So extra butcher coin make file at the repo root folder. Yeah, okay. Okay, so now I'm going to copy everything here, okay, and yeah, and we will manage to see if it's just find and replace a string or not. Yeah, we had we already had what's the name? We already have some files that could be used for copy and paste, so that this is more easy to do instead of just relying on this. So not sure if I want to do this manually or with sort of a script. Yeah, let's do the script so that this is easier. So we have all of these files, and what you want to do is to copy them from Whitecoin something and copy them here. Wait a minute. So we can replace this with a space, and then we can do something like for end file in all of this stuff. We can copy this from here to here. And let's do not do CP but echo, see what happens. Let's see. Wait, I have set echo, not CP. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is doing. Let's use echo with this and see what happens. Yeah, this should not be here. That's why maybe it was failing. See if it from here to here. Country Debian control. Yeah, that's the right one. And virtual coin country Debian control, it's also here. Yeah, so this is what we want to do. So let's remove echo from here, and that's it. So let's remove this and the echo. Okay, look at this. So now we should see how a lot of files have been modified, and we will check manually if there's something else than what we think there should be there. So we should only get these files related to the these files, Whitecoin, Whitecoin, and so on. So far I do not see anything different than what we want to do. There's some spaces there that should not be there. Yeah. Okay. README. Okay. Even the README is nice. In the doc README. Whitecoin something. Oh, look at that. Here there is a port. We should not be doing doc README. Do we have something else doc readme, and probably the one from, yeah, doc readme. The two doc readmes should not be there. Okay, make Windows icon. So doc readme. Make Windows icon. So make Windows icon. Now I will continue to compare, see if there's something. So the doc ones, I'm going to remove them from my list. Doc readme ones. Let's see if we can find something different than what I used to. Oh, look at this. This is Bitcoin strings, and there are some port changes. So Bitcoin strings, going to remove this from my replace string files. Bitcoin strings. So wait a moment. Bitcoin strings. So I should go to Bitcoin GUI. Bitcoin GUI. Bitcoin GUI.cpp. Here we are. So this should be okay. Okay, about dialog. Butcher something. Butcher coin sucks. Bitcoin QTRC, okay. Yeah. Okay, I think we are okay, we are fine. So this should be, so we should have something here. Probably here. There should be a big one, is this one here. So replace con name. So it's replace from Butcher coin, from Whitecoin to Butcher coin. Yeah, okay. Now we should be able to refresh all of this, and we have something that it's not so big, but a bit big also, and yeah. Okay, so apparently background.png is also modified here. Base 58. Yeah, just some stuff that's been modified. Okay, so going back in 5 minutes. Okay, so I am back. Okay, so what more should we do with all of this? Okay, let's write down this thing about fork history. This is Whitecoin modifies src makefile Unix so that he can use some extra hash libraries. Whitecoin might be doing the same thing, but moving those libraries into a hash folder so that it's more tidy. Okay. For now, I'm going to not sure what I'm going to do right now, because yeah, let's take a look at all of these files one by one. So this seems to be just renaming stuff. Whatever the reason was, this was not considered to be. Okay, copy to the right side. Background.pnt. Oh yeah, I wanted to fix this background.pnt. Let's do this first. So what we do here is we background PNG from Mac. Background PNG was updated, yeah. And so what we want to check, if there are more files about renaming stuff. And what about this one? Yeah, I think this is the same thing, isn't it? Or do we have something else? GWC, yeah. This is not it, because you have the ticker, and probably here there is the ticker too. Yeah, that's right. Bitcoin strings also has tickers and so on. Yeah, you can see here how you've got this Whitecoin, but probably there's some port or something. Do not see anything. Yeah, the port is changed there. This is the ticker which goes elsewhere. And here there is some more stuff. Base, yeah. So I'm not sure if there's something else about the Whitecoin. Look at this. Whitecoin. Whitecoin PD. This might be it. What the hell is this? util.cpp. What about version? Yeah, this is not exactly the same thing. Look at this, commit date 133 something, format something. What the hell? Why did you have format? Okay, anyway, the version.h, yes, this is another stuff that we don't care too much about this. Okay, and readme. Yeah, this is not the right thing to have here. Okay, so we should have this thing about having strings being renamed, so let's check them once again, just in case. We have managed not to find everything properly. Look at this, and look at this. So now I can add this. I can say something like yeah, this is the two. We could even squash this, but I don't think it's something useful to do. I mean, it might be, but you know. So more stuff that needs to be done is well, you know, we just have to go on and go on, and that's it. So these are ports. These comparisons are about ports, but also about Patcher coins and so on. So maybe we should apply these changes first. So we want doc readme and doc readme windows.txt. We want to patch this. So we want this change and this one. There's a lot of stuff here. So we want this one, not this one. We also want this one and this one. We are done. And we want to patch to update now. We want to patch number 2. Okay, so we want this one, we want to split. We want this one, not the port one. We want this one and this one. Now the if catched should have the string changed. Commit, which is here. Okay. So this should be it. Doc readme and doc readme windows.txt. So now we have this other stuff that just changed port. So let's do it. I'm not sure. I think there's a name, but change port, is that the right string name that we choose to the day? Peer coin lost link, not this thing, because here it is. Change port, yeah, that's it. Change port. We remove this because we don't want to change the port. We only want the Whitecoin one that replaces the port. Wait a minute, this is not right. I didn't see this before. Oh my god. What about 15? Okay, so if you revert so every one of them needs to have this properly. Let's use R so that it's easy and faster. So otherwise going mad here. This should have fork budget. This should, it's at the start. Let's see if yeah. So we need to copy and paste apparently. Okay, we will do it. Doesn't matter. Okay, so now all of this history has the right prefix, and once you do this, you're in the old places. So that's nice. Okay. Okay, so let me update this and see what the hell do we have left. So we need to go file by file till this is ended, then we will have finished. So these are makefile files, and so Whitecoin has a lot of changes, a lot of stuff here going on. Overview page. So this is yeah, okay, now the files are the same ones. So let's do it. So here we have something about Whitecoin, then we have the tickers. So let's do the Whitecoin one first. So this is Whitecoin. This is the ticker, and this is Whitecoin. Why do I do these two commits? Because later on it might be helpful. Place coin name. This is overview something. Do not remember the name, but we're going to know it right now. Yeah, SRC something something. Now we have a ticker change. Okay. The question is, do we copy the other one, which probably also has ticker? Yes, we copy it. Copy to the right. Bitcoin strings. This is something similar, but it also has some ports or something. Yeah, it has the ports. So we don't want to deal with this yet. This has the ticker. So we probably want this one too. This ticker. So let's copy Bitcoin units to the right. Nice. And I think we are done so far. So now we have these two files, and these two files have the ticker change, okay? And that's where we want to hit at something, then say something like change ticker. Replace ticker, okay. So replace from something to something. So replace ticker. That's nice. That's it. Okay. So now we are going to do it properly. Maybe we will do more stuff. Yeah, how many files are there here? Bitcoin strings. This is something because of the port. Okay. Probably Bitcoin units. Wait a minute. Didn't we already copy this to the right Bitcoin units? Not? Well, let me see. Bitcoin units. Yeah, we can copy this and put it into the same commit here. Yeah, that's what I had originally here. SRC Bitcoin units. And if you take a look, what we are adding here is this commit stuff. So our last commit is replace ticker, so we can just do like this. Here you are. We are done. So Bitcoin strings. Yeah, so we have the port and a lot of the strings, so this needs to be, port is here, so this needs to be done manually and the port needs to be done in change port. Yeah, it's only Bitcoin RPC. Wait a moment, Bitcoin RPC. Yeah, this is here. So change port. Yeah, these are strings. Yeah, certainly these are strings. Okay. And yeah, so this one and Bitcoin strings. Let's copy them to the right and then we will figure out what to do with them. So what you want to do is Bitcoin strings. You want to copy all only the ones about this replacement here. Yeah, this needs to be split, so we don't want this one, we want this one. Yeah, okay, now we should be able to take a look at Bitcoin RPC to see if there is also some, wait, no, we want to do them separate into this. So we should have something about replace common name, which is this one. So we want this one to be replaced also. And so now I want to add the Bitcoin RPC. Okay. And so I don't want this change, but I want everything which is related to this one. So now should be able to say that this has been renamed properly. Okay, so now if I take a look at the differences, I can see how the port is changed in these two files. Not so well, but I mean it's good enough for us to. So this is change port. Yeah, that's right, change port. And I mean the port should be changed somewhere else too, but so far this is what we have here. So from this thing to this other thing, and from to this other thing. Yeah, that's what we have here. So now we should be okay. Let's refresh everything and let's take a look. What the hell? Yeah, so this is some other stuff that we have around here. Client version, so on, version.h, protocol. Yeah. Okay, so one thing that I think it's okay, readme also is a bit mix. Yeah, this has been related. So what you want to do here is probably before doing the rest of the stuff, which is useful stuff, we might want to take a look at these make files, because I think a lot of it is going to be just replacing stuff like Whitecoin. Not here, because in the Unix one we will have all of this stuff, but as you can see there's also some renaming. So I think we want to copy this make file stuff and then just fix it properly. Okay. So what I'm going to do is hit add this, and no, this is not right. Patch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I am down. So test bottle caps. Take a look at that. So whether Whitecoin or batch coins comes from bottle caps, we already know that. Rename. This is rename. This is not a rename. Rename. This is not a rename. Even if there's something there, this is not a rename. This is a rename. This has a lot of stuff, so let's split. We are not. Sorry, we cannot split. So I don't want it. I do not want this. I want this one. Yeah, not sure if this should be a single commit, but let's split. We can use this one. We don't want this one. This is right. This should be split, so I don't want this one. I like this one. This is okay. This should be split, but it cannot be split, so I do not want it. This should be split. I want this one, but not this one. I want this one. Now I can exit. And this should be anything but Whitecoin or Coin, nothing else. Otherwise, I have done something wrong. And that's it. So now should be able to say something like src make files, okay. So now we should have all of this stuff that, you know, is a bit confusing. So yeah, okay, so far we have this, and what we can do is to restore each of these files into their own what's the name, into whatever is on the hit repo. Now we can do something like this, which is we want to replace Whitecoin and use Coin instead into all of these files, if I'm not mistaken. So if you go to up here, you can see how Coin, so on, this, all of this are on like this. So you want to replace all of this. That way you've got the replacement done. Okay, that's it. So now, yeah, so now there's one file, yeah, we don't care too much. So we add all of these files and we have this commit. So this is the second instance, which we don't care too much. We are done. And now we should be able to refresh here. So there should be make files. Yeah, many of these files are need to be modified too. So let's take a look here. So as you can see now, we can see what the hell is being done here, and everything should be fine. There should not be any string or whatever. So this is not This is something like this, and this is Buttercoin. So this is doubt, although Buttercoin on make file changes. That's it. Okay. Oh my god. Many changes more do we have to push here so that Buttercoin finally is finished. Okay, so what more do we have? Do I copy everything, or what the hell do I do here? Should I make a different comment from each one of the files, or should I make interesting commits, or what the hell? Let's copy everything so that it's somehow, I don't know how to explain it, so that it's IRC. Let's copy everything so that it's a bit more easy to do some stuff. Oh my god. You can see protocol.h RPC wallet. I think I will so readme, I don't think readme something useful to do here. So alert, so alert does have this thing about changing something that needs to be in a different commit. Here you have the port change also. Just more renaming. I hate all of this. I might just fork Whitecoin manually. And this is not how you understand how everything works. Okay, so the first one is alert. This is the main key and private key. Is this something that I write down somehow? My custom strings. This main key or something? No, it's not. Information. Yeah, so let's just do it. Let's just do src alert.cpp. We should have this, and yeah, we need to add the prefix, because otherwise so this is BSC main key was updated for Buttercoin. Okay, so the next change is this one, which is the pub key address. I am convinced. Yeah, remove pipe key address. These are checkpoints. Okay, so pipe key address. So hit add src base 58, and we confirm that's the pipe key address. Yeah, so this is remove and pipe key address. Yeah. Okay. What more do we have here? Checkpoints. You know, change checkpoints. Okay, so src checkpoints, cpp. So checkpoints were updated for batcher coins. Basically, they were removed. So change checkpoints. The way it's easier to check what the hell is happening here. Okay. What more do we have here? We have client version change, which is not anything that. So hit add src client version.h, and this is nothing. Client version.h. Okay, so init.cpp seems to have some strings. Then there's the port. So we should work on this. So this should be hit add -e src init.cpp, and we want to patch this. So we want the new names here. Yeah. Yes. Yes. We don't want the port. We don't want the port. And we want the strings. What the hell is this? Yeah, this is renaming. And this is renaming stuff. Okay. So now, if we check what we are going to push here to commit, I mean, it's everything that we want to commit. Just placing stuff. So we should be able to find something like replace coin name. And this is src something, which I don't. Init.cpp maybe. Let me check. Yeah, that's right. Init.cpp. Okay. What more do we have? Do we have the ports? Nice. So we can add src init cpp, and we can say something like port. So change port from something different to something different. So these are these stupid ports that are changed with different values. And this one down here is like this. Okay, I think this is okay. Let's check what more do we have around here. IRC. Well, I'm not sure why. Yeah, that's probably something that was not changed in the other ones. So irc.cpp. Damn it. So as you can see here is just renaming this. So this is replace coin name and this is irc.cpp, isn't it? Yeah, that's right. Okay, what more do we have around here? Main.cpp. Well, main.cpp has a lot of strings, which, well, I mean, not so much, but we might want to replace them too. Main.h. Yeah. So we have many files that have this replacements too, like this one here, src rpc row transaction. This is a good one. We can do it right now. So if we add this and check whatever is going to be pushed here, we can find this. And now I can do this. Yeah, you are. Okay, so main.cpp. What more do we have in addition to main.cpp and main.h? net.cpp has a lot of changes. There's the port thing too. Yeah, maybe we should show how to explain this. We should add everything and just do with it. So otherwise, there are not so many files, so maybe we can add all of them, patch all of them. So we don't want this, neither this. We want this one. There's nothing interesting here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Oh, this is replacement. This is not a replacement. This is a replacement. Not this. Not this. Not this. This is something hash Merkle root. I have it somewhere, I think. Change Merkle root. But this is not for right now. A script buffer lock. Oh, take a look at this. We don't know from which file this is about. Now that I think about it. Okay, so proof of stake. What's the difference here? It seems to be something about a special character, because otherwise, what does happen if we split this? So not this one, not this one, not this one, not this one. The block launch from the solution, not this one. Yeah. Finish this block. Yeah. Okay, here there is a replacement. This is a replacement, but not the one we want to. This is a replacement. This is, yeah, this should be a replacement too. What about this? And this is the same thing. Okay. Look at that. Should be able to train an artificial intelligence to do this, an AI. But yeah, okay, this is the same thing too. Wallet encrypted, okay? You can encrypt the wallet if you want to. Okay, not this one. Not this one. Yeah, this is probably one that's it's uint. Okay, maybe we can split this. Yeah, that's right, not this one. Okay, so now we have a lot of changes done here. Okay, and we need to check if all of the changes that we have done are the right ones, because otherwise this is not going to be right. Yeah, I think it's everything, it's okay. Okay, so what's the right one? Is this 2, 3 something? So CMAC files. Replace, yeah, so this is number 2. So now it's number 3. Now should be able to okay, so hit div. Yeah, okay, let's do it or something. I mean look at all of these files. So kernel.cpp apparently has these checkpoints, isn't it? So what you want to do here is to, I think we already have checkpoints, so Replace checkpoints. I think I have seen something. Change checkpoints. So this is number 2. And that's it. Damn it. Whitecoin. Yeah, I've probably cleared the thing here. So this should be number 2. And we are done. Okay, so main.cpp yeah, maybe we can add this one about what the hell was this? This DNS sheet. I mean, DNS sheet. We don't care too much about this. So this is change DNS sheet. Change sheet. Yeah, change DNS sheet. I mean. Okay, so main.cpp. Do we have something else that it's easier to understand or to? Then there were some ports here. So yeah, so protocol src protocol.h. So far we have this change port. Okay, so now we have hit commit. So yet again another change that I do not know if it's done properly or not, because I mean, I don't care too much about this change ports, change of ports. So otherwise this is getting too long. Okay, let's forget about main.cpp and so on. Main.h, look at that. Okay, this is the change genesis, and this is done on, what the hell is this? Main.h. So let's do this first so that we already have done it. So I want the genesis. I do not want, yeah, so I want this one. Nothing else. Nice. Now I can check what's here. That's nice. And I can say something like change genesis on src main.h. This is change genesis. Yeah, you know what I mean. This is something. What more can we find around here that it's worth adding in its own commit? Yeah, there's this version stuff, version.cpp and version.h. Yeah, so let's do version, let's do this version cpp. Butchercoin src version.cpp change, and the same thing with version.h. Okay, so now we should have less files here. So there's this file about srcu int being, this is updated, and so this is a doubt, because maybe this is something srcu int 200 update, and yeah, now we have this Merkle root. So let's add the Merkle root, and once we have the Merkle root, we can push everything into the same thing, I think. Which one was the Merkle root? Wait, this main.cpp. Okay, one. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. And okay, Merkle root, finally. Not this one, not this one. This stupid change that nobody understands. What the hell is this? Nothing, nothing. That way I check all of the changes that we have here. Okay, so now if I check this, I should have this Merkle root. So that means that I can have this Merkle root change. So this is Merkle root change, which is where are you, my friend? Change Merkle root. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so you know, here there are some changes that are from Whitecoin himself, and then from anyway, let's put everything into the same place, even if I think that this can be done in 2 steps, but you know what I mean. So this is not removed, so this is doubt. So this is main changes into src main cpp and src main.h files. Okay. And now we need to copy this readme file so that everything is almost the same thing. So now, what the hell are we going to do here? Yeah, so we have this readme.md. So we don't want this one, but we want this one. So now we can say something like replace coin. Wait a minute. Damn it, yeah. Yeah, this is the one that I want to use here. My question is, Have I been working on the same directory? Yes, that's right. So let's exit from here. Let's go back to this one. Yeah, but now this is readme, isn't it? Okay, so this is readme readme.md. Okay. Readme was updated. Okay, so now if we update here, it should say that everything is okay. Okay, nice. So we are done. However, we are not done because this thing about erasing everything here. So we have this fork butcher X11.1. What the hell? Wait a minute. For butcher X11.1? What the hell is this? Rename Whitecoin Qt Pro to Whitecoin Qt Pro. Fork butcher X11.1. Yeah, with fork butcher we know what we're talking about because it's butcher. So what we want to have here is for butcher space, and that's it. And so we want to reword all of the wrong files, which are these ones. So we want to reward all of this. Okay, and also all of these ones that do not have the prefix, so that we know where the hell we are. Yeah, see that every one of them. Yeah. There's a lot of commits to have to fix this, but you know, it's not something difficult. So fork butcher, fork butcher. Fork butcher. Fork butcher. Fork butcher here. Okay, so now I should be able to copy and paste here. Okay. Look at that. Yeah, this is the outing. This is something that you want to keep or not. Okay, hopefully this ends soon because Okay, let's remove this. What the hell is this? Yeah, this one. Well, the hell, this is the last one. Okay, let's see if we can find Fog Batcher everywhere. Otherwise, this is going to be nuts. Fog Batcher. This one was a thought one. Bitcoin. Okay, we are done. So hit branch, which is the current branch. Manual fork. Okay, yeah, hit status. Maybe it's the right thing to do. Hit push origin. Whitecoin, Batcher coin. So now, oh damn it! This should be done here. Wait a moment, please. So this is, yeah. Okay, so now I should be able to take a look at Whitecoin. Whitecoin should have a new branch, which is Whitecoin to Batcher coin, with all of these commits that we have figured out that need to be there after Whitecoin stuff. So here we are. So this needs to be sent to the bit description, and we are done. Okay. So now CoinMachi, ATC Secure, Zebras, Xcoin, Batcher coin, and now we are on Whitecoin. This is nice. Finally, Whitecoin. Yeah. So this Whitecoin, probably you want to move it down here. So now I want to, yeah, so probably you want to move into the archive all of this, that it's no longer needed, if I'm not mistaken. X11 coin, not the work. Oh, wait, I don't want to move any work there. X11 coin, initial commit, we do not need it. This Whitecoin, we do not need it, because this is related to another thing. Whitecoin original, we do not need it. Mint coin, let's keep it here. Match initial commit. Well, match initial commits, they are all our friends, so let's move them here. Ghost coin, TMP, I think we can leave it here. And Batcher coin, yeah, Batcher coin, we use it, and this one we don't use it. So all of this should be moved to the archive. Now we have a bit less stuff. So what we have here is Mintcoin and Whitecoin. That's what we want to work on. So let's write this down. Next video. So this should be 112. I mean, next video. Link Mintcoin and Whitecoin. And if we find something else in between, we will figure out if it's worth adding it or not, but I don't think so. Okay, so we want to link Mintcoin and Whitecoin in the next video. So we are done. Okay, so coin, Whitecoin. Going to remove Ghost Coin. Coin has taught me how to add different hash algorithm to the mine stake process, or at least I know which files need to be modified. Okay, so now this has ended. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.